Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can lock your profile on Facebook Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on three dots icon. Then you can see the option of lock profile. Tap on it. Next, tap on lock your profile. Then tap on OK. Then refresh your profile. So this is how you can lock your profile on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.